He is the Vice President All India Ayurvedic Congress, and he is also Guru of Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapit New Delhi. He is the senior most Ayurvedic surgeon. Uh, Sir is a very good practitioner, and he almost charges around 1 lakh for each case. So he is having vast experience. So sir is going to speak about Shara Sutra application, fistula and ano.
Hello. Welcome all of you in our All India Ayurvedic Congress organized 18th Ayurved Parva. Basically, it's Ayurved Parva organized by Akhil Bharatiya Ayurved Mahasammelan. Some organizers told 18th पर्व तिरुपति में किया जाए. Then all are agree. Very good place and holy place. My colleague, near about 40 doctors from Gujarat, they are very happy to come. This is occasion for all my colleagues and here students also. This type of seminars and other occasions are periodically we are doing in all over our country, especially in Gujarat. Per month, we are organizing this type of seminars. More than 200, 300 students are participating. Many colleges in Gujarat, do you know, more than 35 colleges in Gujarat. Especially I am practicing in Kshar Sutra since 1982. I learned from Professor P.J. Deshpande. Many students are here. They pass out from Banaras Hindu University also. Yeah. And Dr. B.B. Prasad told me, आपको आना है तिरुपति. Already I visited 2 times in Tirupati in college teacher training program. I delivered my lectures also. In this occasion, this is some unique occasion because some students are participating here. So that we are calling Ayurved Parva. आयुर्वेद पर्व नाम दिया है दिल्ली में से. आयुर्वेद पर्व एक हम हिंदी में उसको कहते हैं एक तरह का त्योहार मनाते हैं. इसको त्योहार बोलते हैं आयुर्वेद पर्व को. श्रीवास्तव जी बैठे हैं. इतने पर्व उन्होंने 18 पर्व कर दिए in various places of India. Today especially my talk on Kshara Sutra. Some person told me I am taking 1 lakh rupees. Oh, more than 1 lakh rupees. Then I crossed Ambani. Not like that. But I think we, Ayurvedic practitioner and Ayurvedic doctors, some हम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं कि हम सर्जन से हम पैसा ज़्यादा नहीं ले सकते? Today, I am telling you proudly, more than 60% patient of fistula surgery referred by me by our allopathy surgeons. They are very good friends also. They came in my hospital and asking me, show me what you are doing. हाँ, मैं बताने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है, सबको सिखाना चाहिए. I am frequently going to Chandigarh PGI. They called me in within 2-3 months. डॉक्टर कब आने वाले हो? 2 दिन के लिए आना है. 5-6 पेशेंट्स वेटिंग फॉर यू. तो मैं तो कहता हूँ सभी डॉक्टर्स को जितने भी ये अपकमिंग है उनको सबको एम्स वाले क्यों नहीं बुलाएंगे? डॉक्टर कम इन एम्स एंड डू द सर्जरी एंड डू द ट्रीटमेंट. फ्यूचर ऐसा होना चाहिए. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. फ्यूचर ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपको सब पूरा का पूरा तिरुपति नहीं आंध्र प्रदेश आपको अच्छे वैद्य के नाम से बुलाए और आपको हर बार सलाम भी करे, अच्छा डॉक्टर है, अच्छा वैद्य है. बट यू हैव टू लर्न प्रॉपरली. यू हैव टू लर्न प्रॉपरली ईच सब्जेक्ट. जो सब्जेक्ट में आपको स्पेशलाइजेशन करना है. In 1982, I am not doing any other disease treating. I am not treating other disease. I am calling my colleague, those who are physician, those who are neurologist, those who are urologist, because I am doing only Shar Sutra in anorectal disorders. In fistula nano. If of other associated disease, I am calling to my colleague, please guide me. If you do like this, other surgeons and other pathist doctors are love you, because this is the profession. You do your work very confidently. Otherwise, कोई आपको पूछेगा नहीं. सब कुछ करते हैं, ये डॉक्टर को क्या भेजने का, पेशेंट रिफर क्यों करने का, ऐसा करने लगे. In our Gujarat, anybody surgeons, anybody neurologists are doing no other practice. If you are neurosurgeon, they are doing only neurosurgery, not other surgeries. Then why you are not adapting like this? If you are some very good dietitian, then you are doing only diets. If you are a good Ayurvedic physician, you do only Ayurvedic practice only. If you are a urologist in Ayurveda, you do only urology in Ayurveda, not others. सब बंदर का व्यापारी बनेगा तो कोई आपको पेशेंट नहीं भेजेगा, कोई आपको रिफर नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज आई एम ए प्रोफेशनल पर्सन. If you are a professional person, if you are doing practice, you are going to do practice. Teaching की बात अलग है. Teachers are teachers. We are respecting our teachers. Those who are teachers, they are teachers. They know everything, but they can't do practice in market. This is a very fact. You know everything. You know everywhere. Those who are teacher, good teacher, they are very good teacher, respective persons. If you are a professional, if you are a professional person, if you are a professional practitioner, you do. What subject you like?
Sir,
What
with-
subject you?
Sir, with due
Then
respect, I would like
Next, one by slides is there.
Please come to that.
चालू करना.
The quantity of the stomach. They mentioned about what in Charaka, Trivida Pukshiyam. Again in the Vagbata they mentioned about what stomach is divided into 4 parts. If it is 3 parts, 1 part should be filled with Ganahara, 1 part with the Dravahara, and 1 part leave for the Vayu Sancharana or Dosha Sancharana. And Vagbata what he says about what Chaturvida, and he mentioned about what 2 parts should be filled with Ganahara and 1 part each, that is Dravahara as well as the Dosha Sancharana. And here I taken about the example of the Masha as well as Mudga, and in that Masha is having about Guru Guna and Mudga is having about what Lagu Guna. So while considering about what the food and all, by seeing its nature of the qualities and all, you should consume according to that. Then second one they mentioned about what Karanam. Karanam punaha swabhavikanam dravyanam abhisamskaraha. And samskara also mentioned under paradigunas. And there they mentioned samskaraha karanam matam. And here they mentioned karanam punaha swabhavikanam. That's why they mentioned about punaha. Why it is punaha? Because already he told about some information under the paradigunas. And again he is going to speak here about the same. That's why here they mentioned swabhavikanam dravyanam. So what are the swabhavika qualities of the dravyas are there? And by doing about the process, it is going to alter or change their qualities. And what are the factors it is going to help to change? For that they mentioned about what? That is Toya, Agnisadikarsha, Saucha, Mantana, Desha, Kala, Vasana, Bhajana, Adivihi. So these all the factors are helping to change the swabhavika qualities of the dravyas into the other qualities. Suppose if you are going to take the curd, this is what Dadi. Dadi is having about what Guru and Abhishanta. And when you are going to add it about the water and churning, then it is going to turn into the takra. So that it is having about what the lagugunas and all. So that's why swabhavik quality, it is going to alter to the other quality. That is about what the karana. Then samyoga, and here they mentioned about what samyogaha puna dvayor bahuna va dravyanam. And samyoga also it has mentioned under the paradigunas. And first of all, paradigunas for what sake? Siddhi upaya chikitsayam lakshana istan prachakshmahi. So they mentioned about what chikitsa upayogya gunas. So in that context already he explained. And again when it is going to come, and there he is going to use, and he is going to use the word of the punaha. Because if you are going to observe the Charaka Samhita, in the very first chapter itself, he has mentioned about what the enumeration of the Shat Karanas. And of gunas, and again Samyoga as one among the Ashtavidha Ahara Vidhi Vishesha. So why you want to know about the Samyoga and all? Sometimes, some dravyas when you are going to use, and it is going to have about what its altered actions. Suppose if you are going to see here, this Madhu as well as the ghee, both are it is Rasayana dravyas, Nitya Sevaniya dravyas, Hita dravyas, Patya dravyas. But when you are going to take together in equal quantity, it turns into the poison. So that's why you should know while consuming about the food and all, so what to mix and what to separate it. And at the same time, matsya as well as the payaha. So this fish as well as the kshira is there. So both the substances it is good. But when you are going to take together, it calls for the visha. So that's why under Agata Tantra. And under the Agata Tantra, he has mentioned about what one Gara Vishesha or Krutrima Vishesha. And that Gara Samyogaja Visha. that there are some yogaja, that some yogaja maybe it is both are non-poisonous and both are poisonous or one poisonous and non-poisonous. So that's why while using about the ahara and all, you are supposed to know about this, all the 8 factors. That's why they mentioned. Next about the rasi. Rasi depends upon the quantity and how you are going to take, whether you are going to take as a whole or separate. And Cetrasopeta ahara, it is considered what? Sarvagraha. When you are going to consume individual, that is called as what? It is the parigraha. Then desha, it is nothing but the habitat. So we have about what? Trivida deshas, Jangala, Anupandu, Sadharana. And based on that desha, it is having about what? The predominance of the doshas. So while taking about the food, you should decide about what gunas are there. And based on that, you should consume. Next, they mentioned about what? Kala. So kala is 2 types. Kala punaha samvas, what that? Parinama. That parinama, it is going to take place in 2 aspects. One is a kshanadi kala, another one is the avastarupa kala. So kala also it is important while consuming about what? Food. So what time you are supposed to take? Kala bhojana or akala bhojana. Kala bhojana is considered as shrestha. Next, upayoga samstha, that is the dietetic rules, how we are going to consume about what? The food. And upayokta is what? Who is the person is going to consume the food.
Dr. Venkat Sivudu garu,
Yes, sir.
can you conclude?
Yes. One little. So, ahara matra they mentioned about what? It depends upon the nature of Agni and all. Then we have about what? Some of the references directly related to the Ashtavidha ahara vishesha ayatanas, that is under the Shosha Nidana. Then rules for the take the food, and I don't want to take much time, just I will brief about what each one line. That they mentioned about what here, that is when you are going to consume the food and all, they mentioned Ushnam Ashniyat. So we are supposed to take about what? Ushnahara. While consuming about the Ushnahara and all, it is going to give the benefits like the taste, increases Agni, then quickly it is going to digest and pacify about the Vata dosha. Then Snigdham Ashniyat, Snigdhahara, when you are going to consume, it helps to digest fast, pacify about the Vata, nourishes about the body, gives about strength to the all the sense organs. Then Matravat Ashniyat should take about what? The ahara matra, either it is guru ahara or lagu ahara, that also should consider and how much you are going to consume. Then Jirni Ashniyat, so what are the previous meals we are going to consume? That after the digestion of the previous meals, then only you should go for the next ahara. Then Virya Avriddha. Here they mentioned about we are not supposed to consume about what? Contradictory viryas or contradictory ahara dravyas. So that should not be any contradiction. Such above the food you are supposed to take. So here just I given about this is the example for the viruddha, not the aviruddha. So you should not take about what? The amlarasa pradhana or that fruits or dravyas along with the milk. Then Ishta Deshe Ishta Sarvabhakaranam. That means where we are going to taking the food, the place also should be comfortable. Then should have about what? All the things which are required to take about the meals. Then Nati Dhrutam Ashniyat and Nati Vilambitam. That means should not take too hurry and should not take too slow. So if you are taking about what? Too speedily and we are not able to recognize any foreign bodies, we are not able to enjoy about the taste of the foods and all. And if you are going to take about what? Too slow and the food it is going to become the cold and it is not what that giving any particular taste. Then Ajalpan Asahan Tanmana Bunjita. That means whenever you are going to consume the food and all, should take about what? With full concentration, without laughing and without doing about what? Any other activities. But we are not doing such things. Then Atmana Abhisamiksha Bunjita Samyak. So you should decide about what yourself, which is suitable to you. That type of the food only you are supposed to consume. So which is not suitable, better to avoid that. Then Sada Patyaharas, only little 2 more slides are there. Sada Patyaharas, that is what? You should take about what? Bhojanagre Sada Patyam Lavanardaka Bhakshanam. So they mentioned about what? Usually whenever you are going for the meals, you should take about what in the beginning, that is Ardraka as well as Lavana. Both it is going to help about the Agni Dipana as well as Samapachana. So for that purpose they mentioned about what here is. Then they mentioned about what? How we should consume about what? Cetrasopeta ahara. For that we have about the classical reference, that is Aniya Tanmani Bhutva Purvam Madhura Rasam Madhye Amla Lavanai Pachat Katatikta Kashaya. So they mentioned about what in the beginning should take about the Madhurahara, then should go for the Amla, and Lavana, then at last Katutikta Kashaya. So maybe it is based on about what Trivida Vipakas. We have about what the Madravastha, Amlavastha and Katavastha. And also in all the functions. So today also we have about what they first they served about the sweet. Then after that remaining all these things. So like that we should. So this is the order of eating food. Then in Susra Samhita they mentioned Dwadasha Anna Vicharana. Same thing only he is modified and mentioned about what 12. Then Bhojanottara Karma. After this food should take about what the gargling with the mouth. Then Tambula Sevana should take. Then you should walk a minimum at least 100 feet. Then you should not do about what immediately that riding of the vehicle, swimming, then playing. All these things better to avoid after taking the meals. Then at present, so we all are doing about all these things. Eating when not hungry, eating soon after meals, eating at the wrong time, eating incompatible food, overeating, eating too much heavy and fast early. So these all the things at present, everyone in every house we are adopting these methods. Then conclusion, a healthy life starts with healthy food, because you want to become the healthy should start with the healthy food. Then the food it is having about what the precious concept of Ayurveda. Then it is essential for the growth, development, strength, color, complexion and everything. So that's why you should adapt all these things. Then in the Mahabharata also there is one reference, Ahara, Ahara Sarva Bhutani, Sambhavanti Mahipate, Aharena Vivardante Tena Jivanti Jantavaha. So by food only all living beings are born, by food only they are growing, and by food only they are going to have what the support of life. Then thank you. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. So thank you for the organizers and principal, vice principal, then who are the guests are there, delegates are there, and pharmacy people are there. So thank you once again for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much. Trayametat Tridandavat, Tridanda, Trituna and Strisambha. So all one and this thing. Because without this Sattva, Atma and Sarira, and there is no question arise about the person, and there is no question arise about his diseases or health. So that's why three stambhas are the Sattva, Atma and Sarira, and Upastambhas are the Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. So among the Upastambhas, they given priority to the Ahara, because Ahara is very essential. And what is mean by the Ahara? So they mention about here, Akhniyate iti Aharaha, Annapanadi Sarva, Akhniyate Jihva Galadaha Kriyate Ityahara. So whatever we are going to ingest or swallowing, and that is considered as its what? Ahara. So that may be the Chaturvida Ahara, or that may be the, what are the classifications of Ahara Varga they given and everything. Then Acharya Kashyapa, it has mentioned about what? Mahabhaishajya, because without this nothing is there. So you want to say about what? The living and all the living elements, and Ahara is must, either it may be the human beings or it may be the animals. So that's why it has mentioned about what? The Mahabhaishajya. Then in Taittiriya Upanishad they mentioned about what? Anna they compared with the Brahma, and who is the creator of this universe, and Anna is essential for the all the living beings, either it may be the Srushti, Sthiti, and the Laya of course it is ultimate. Then Acharya Charaka has mentioned about what in the Yajna Purushiya, that is Annam Vruttikaranam Sreshtam. That means it is going to help to sustain the life. Without this, life is not there. Then Ahara Sambhavam Vastu, Rogacha Ahara Sambhava. At the same time, and either it may be the health or it may be the disease, food is must. Without food, you cannot expect about the health or you cannot expect about the disease. And if you are going to see the second line, Hita Hita Visheshastu Visheshyo Sukha Dukkayo. And Sukha as well as Dukkhas are compared with the health as well as the disease. Sukha Sangnakam Arogyam Vikaro Dukkha Mevacha. So either it may be the health or it may be the disease, depends upon the nature of consumption of the food. If you are going to consume the Itahara, definitely it is going to help to maintain about what health, or if you are going to consume ahitahara leads to the disease. Then विनापि भेषजं व्याधिः पथ्यादेव निवर्तते न तु पथ्यं विहीनस्य भेषजानां शेतैरपि. So it is actually says about what the importance of the food. Without medicine the person can survive, and without food, though you have about what hundreds of the best medicines, it is no use. So that's why this food it is better than or essential than about the medicine. And nacha ahara samam kinchit vaisajyam upalabhyate sakyate apyanna matrena naraha kartum niramayah. So if you are going to consume about what the prescribed manner of the food, then definitely it is going to help the maintenance of the health. Or if you are not consuming or not following about the rules, that leads to the disease. Then aharaha pranino sajjo balakrut dehadaraka ayu tejaha samutsaha, then sruti oja agni vivardhana. That means these are the benefits. What kind of the benefits we are going to get while consuming about the food? So while consuming about the food, we are going to have about what the nourishment will be there, bala will be there, strength will be there, then immunity will be there, and everything it will be there. Then they given about what here sthiti, utpatti and vinasha hetuhu. So for the existence, for the origin, existence as well as the destruction depends upon the consumption of the food only. Then about this food, it is having relation with the mind also. Ahara suddhihi, ahara suddhau sattva suddhihi, sattva suddhau dhruva smritihi, smriti labdho sarva grantinam. Then priya moksha. So vimoksha it is there, priya vimoksha, some difference of opinion is there, but whatever it may be, if you are going to see particularly about the BMS students, in the first year syllabus they are given about what panchabhautikatva of the manas, and it is actually controversy, because in one side we are going to say this mana as well as atmas are atindriya dravyas, atindriyam punar manaha sattva sangnakam chetaha. So one side we are saying it is the atindriya dravya, and even if you are going to see the philosophical aspect, sparsha rahitatve sati kriyavatvam manaso lingam. So mind you cannot touch even you are going to do about the dissection, because it is the atindriya dravya. And in the syllabus it has mentioned about what panchabhautikatva of the manas. Then where it is about the panchabhautikatva? So it is there only in the poshana aspect, nourishment aspect. Just like what is the relation it is there about the ahara as well as the doshas. So likewise, even the mind as well as the its poshana, and based on that we have about what it is the Chandogya Upanishad. Ahara suddhihi sattva suddhihi. That means it is decided, nature of the food is going to decide about the nature of the mentality. Or then again they mentioned about what all these things, prana bhutam annam. So anna they compared with it is a life. So without anna, life it is not there. And at the same time, yukti yukta, that means when you are going to consume the food according to the norms, according to the dose, according to the age, according to the condition, then definitely it is going to help. And if you are not considering all these things, it is going to destroy or it is cause for even the marana. Then they given about what here, hitasi shat mitashi yat kalaboji jitendriyaha Pashyan rogan bahun kastan buddhiman vishamashanat. Here they given about what who is the intellectual person is there. He should consider about what hita as well as mita, which is suitable and which is the limited. So according to his nature of digestion, nature of agni, and about his condition, he should consume. If he is not considering about all these things, hitashi and mitashi, if he is going to take the food in the vishamavastha, that it is cause for the, that is all kind of the diseases. That's why they given rogan bahun kastan, all the kasta sadhya vyadhis it is going to arise. Then here they mention about what most of the times we'll get the doubts how many times we are supposed to use about the food. And in Ayurveda says about what it is only 2 kalas, that is what sayam prata manushyanam ashanam. The person is supposed to consume the food only twice. Of course not we all are consuming about what unlimited. That's why they says about what in ekakala bhojana is the yogi, dvikala bhojana is the bhogi, and bahukala bhojana, I am not telling about trikala bhojana, Bahukala Bhojanas are Rogi. So we are the category of that last. So here they given about only Pratakala as well as the Sayankala, only in the morning as well as in the evening. 2 kalas they given about the what that nature of consumption of the food. Then Yama Madhye na Bhoktavyam, Yama Yugmam na Langayet. Yama Madhye Rasodvege, Yugmatiti Balakshaya. So here they mentioned about what? After taking about the food within 3 hours, 1 yama is approximately within 3 hours. We are not supposed to consume. Then we should not do the fasting 2 yamas. That means what? More than 6 hours. But again it is also doubt. Says about only 2 anakalas and should not be gap more than 6 hours. So this is again the different what that references we got it. Then here they given about what? Based on the rutus, then how we should consume about the food. Because they given about the pratakala as well as the sayankala. So in some seasons we have about what? The lengthy nights. Some seasons we are having lengthy days. So daytime, night time it is more, then you should take about what in the morning hours, little early. If it is day is more, you should take about what in the first early stage of the night, early night. So if it is both night and day, it is equal, should take about what the 3 anakalas. That is the reference. Then, and this is about what? So you should not take about what atita kalas and what are the too heavy, too less, all these things, the information they given about what related to food. Then kala bhojanam arogya karnam, so better to take according to the prescribed kala, that is helping about what the good health. Then there are the 3 conditions are is considered what ahitaharas, that is we have about what the samashana, vishamashana and adyashana. And what is mean by the samashana? If you are going to consume the food patya and apatya together, patyahara as well as apatyahara, both if you are going to take together, that is called as it's what samashana. Then vishamashana they given about what bahu and alpa based on the quantity. So without considering or without seeing about what sometimes what excess and sometimes it is less, so that is called as what vishamasana. Then adyashana they mentioned about what bhukta purvana sheshetu punar, that means previous meals when it is not digested, if you are going to consume that, that is called as what it is adyashana. Then how we came to know that previous meals it is digested or not? For that also we have about what references in our samhitas, that is udghara suddhihi utsaho vegotsarga yatachitaha laguta chut pipasa jirnaharasya lakshanam. If you are going to find out about these particular qualities, Shuddha Udgara should be there. The person is supposed to eliminate about what the feces as